Woohoo!
We're under attack.
I know.
Woo! Oh, I got that one in 4K. Woo!
Oh, that one was super close.
You gotta move it that way, right?
What happens to sparks?
They just kind of disintegrate. Oh, we got rapid fire.
Party.
Oh, we got a big boy.
Party.
Yeah!
From imagination. Party, party, the dinosaur.
Woo!
Imagination.
Woo!
I did slow
Whoa.
because I wanted to see what we had.
I want to see the video.
No, you can watch them live.
Ah.
Watch them live.
Oh, that one was nice.
So.
Like,
That's a big one.
you know what? I noticed this and a lot of people are anyways taking videos. Oh,
That was beautiful.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah, I ran
Fireworks are my favorite.
Was he at the bar?
It mattered how high.
Oh, blue. I thought that was blue.
That means it's a big fire.
We got rapid fire.
I made myself ready though.
I do.
Oh, we got a high one. Woo!
Bobby, go pet the little puppy.
Oh, I can't. I got the perfect shots.
Dominic, go pet the puppy.
I got the perfect shots. I got the perfect shots. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a big boy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, she wants to run.
Oh!
She wants to run with
That shake was not that fun. Oh, that's like the normal one. Oh, that one was early.
it. I like the fat side.
Little pooper.
Fat
Oh, we got rapid fire. Big boy. Ooh!
like, if you know, they go very up in
Oh, God. Oh, that one was beautiful.
Oh, that was
Oh, little boy. Oh, boy, we got rapid fire, I think.
Oh my god!
Nope. Yep, maybe. Oh, nope.
I need that dinosaur.
Oh, yes.
She said
Little mushroom cloud over there.
no, those are supposed to be falling like.
Whoa! We got rapid fire. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Same. Stop. Oh! Oh, that's blue, my favorite color. Sorry for that shake. Oh, yeah, blue. Oh! Among Us. Oh, little boy. Little boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Woo! Oh boy. Oh, we gotta.
Joe Watson, the pitch, it like activates
Oh, we got rapid fire. Woohoo! Little boy. Whoa.
How much?
We're 5 minutes in. Oh,
God.
sideways. Ooh, we got 2 big boys. Ooh. Ooh. If you guys are standing right here, you can see all that smoke. We got rapid fire.
It's there though.
Oh, we got 2 good. Oh boy. Oh my god, that one was sus. Oh, it was? Up. The centers. Woo! Oh boy. We are rapid fire. Oh my god, this is awesome. 2 years. Oh boy. Oh, that one was nice. Oh. Oh, we got 2 little ones somewhere. Oh, 2 little. So some of these sound like 50 BMG right here.
Bobby, don't forget to enjoy this in real life.
I am. We got rapid fire. Woohoo!
Too early.
Ah!
A little too early. Don't worry. Wait yet. Just wait.
Whoa. That was awesome. Oh! Woo!
That is hot. That is hot.
Ooh.
Oh, look at these two. Oh, my favorite color.
Wow, this is just beautiful.
Yes.
Look at all the smoke. Ooh, we got rapid fire. What is it gonna stop. It's never gonna stop. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, that one was dark, kind of. Woo. Oh, boy. Oh, we got two. No, I brought us here.
I think I brought it.
Well, I came up with the idea.
Bobby, get out of your iPod and enjoy it in real life.
I am.
I'm doing it like on the he's enjoying it in real life in the RIG.
Woo.
That was bright. That was bright. Oh, that's actually going kind of high. It's legs.
Oh, we got rapid fire.
Woo!
One more.
Oh, that's high.
Oh, yep.
Wow.
Woo!
It looks like a ocean.
Oh, we got rapid fire. Get all the smoke. Woo! Oh, forgot about that one. Got more. Oh, we got rapid fire. That's it. Oh, if you could see the mushroom cloud right now.